What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financial Pro YouTube channel. Please subscribe, comment below. Today, I'm doing another freestyle video talking about XFL. Uh, the owner, The Rock. You know him by The Rock, Dwayne Johnson. And I'm going to tell you who else to follow on Instagram. Dany Garcia is his ex-wife. You need to follow her. She's a beast when it comes to this business. And the other owners are a RedBird company or something like that. They are the half owners as well. I'm trying to get their exact name, but I'm going to post this article below the video. Of course, I do that on all my videos. I post more information so people can read. But I thought this was pretty amazing because of the show Ballers, and this is real life Ballers when it comes to The Rock. Not only that, I believe the XFL can be maybe better or somewhat on the same level as the NFL if they allow certain antics that the players used to do in the video games, and that people like me get tired of all these different rules and everything. But I know they were doing a lot of different rules because of safety reasons. But let the players do a little antic when they score. Come on now. Stop calling that. But let's get back to this. So I thought that I can freestyle this video on XFL because this could be a great investment opportunity for us if this is public, as far as stocks and everything like that. What are the ways can we invest and get this ball rolling with The Rock now? How can we make a little money off this? And I thought about it. I'm like, wow, if they are public, can we invest in that like that? But the NFL is not public, I don't believe, unless they have certain things that's public. You guys, if you know more about the NFL or how things like this goes, please comment below when it comes to sports. But I don't believe that the NFL is public. I believe that if they made the XFL public, we could buy stocks in the XFL. And I mean, it's sports. People love sports. Come on, they love football. So Dany Garcia, I follow her on Instagram, and she is amazing. And I see why The Rock and her get along so well. I mean, they just think alike when it comes to certain things I see, and they work hand in hand. So big ups to Dany Garcia. She also works out, looks amazing. But I wanted to look at certain things about the XFL, which was previously owned by Vince McMahon, of WWE or whatever it's called now. I haven't watched wrestling in years. But they bought it for $15 million, which it was getting ready to go to the auction. They filed he had filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy. So it was getting ready to go to the auction, but Dwayne, The Rock, and partners came in and swooped it down and got it, for $15 million, which is not bad if you got that kind of money. It's not bad at all for the XFL, because I was reading before the COVID-19, their viewership started to come back. From, well, it had trickled down from 3 million to maybe under a million, but it was doing pretty good before the virus hit, which that goes for every business. Everybody was doing good before the virus hit. But you guys, tell me, what do you think about that? And you're a fan of The Rock. I think it's good, and I want to see if it goes public. How can we look at that, or is it just entertainment? It could be just entertainment for us. They keep it private. Can we get our t-shirts or become fans of it like we are with the NFL? Let's see how that goes. You guys, see you next time. Please subscribe, comment below. Financier Pro.